Hi, let me explain how to complete your self-assessment and create your skill profile. Step 1. Getting started. The assessment survey link is included in the email you received after registering. Please keep this email because you may need it again for restarting the surveys if you decide to pause or stop before finishing. Click on the Survey Portal link in the email when you're ready to start. Step 2. Tell us about your digital experience. The first survey has one very important question. Read the instructions carefully and select the answer that best describes your level of digital experience. For extra information regarding the answer options, you can click the Assessment Guidance link in the question. Carefully read each answer option and select the one that is closest to your experience. Step 3. Complete the Sophia Skills surveys. The detailed surveys are tailored to you and they're based on your selection at Step 2. As you work through the surveys, take your time and make sure you read each question and answer selection carefully. Don't worry if you think you may have over or underestimated your experience in the previous survey. You can review and update your skills when you've completed the surveys. The first 3 surveys are mandatory. The first 2 surveys relate to your readiness and some basic details. The third survey will capture your Sophia generic attributes. These include aspects of soft skills and experience that make you uniquely qualified. The remaining surveys relate to the 6 Sophia categories and are tailored to your digital experience. We recommend you complete all the surveys because your skills will span a number of categories. You'll also get a better understanding of Sophia. You'll be able to skip questions partway through the surveys if they aren't relevant. Don't worry if you think you've made mistakes because you'll be refining your skills in the planner afterwards. We do have a skip option if you decide to skip some categories. However, only use this option if you're sure you don't have skills within a category. Here's some things to consider when looking at your list of surveys. Questions remaining are the maximum number of questions remaining for each survey. However, many questions will be skipped based on your answers. The timings are a guideline, not a time limit. You can take as much time as you need. The percentage complete is an indication of progress. You must complete all surveys before you can access your skills profile using the SkillsTX Planner. Here's a breakdown of the category surveys. The first question provides the name of the category and information about how to proceed. If you're certain the category does not apply to you, you can choose to skip now and skip all questions for that category. To continue, choose Select. You'll be then shown a list of skills within a subcategory. If you're certain none of the skills apply to you, select the second option, No. To continue to the skill questions, you select the first option, Yes. You'll be then offered the first skill in that subcategory. You can view the official Sophia guide notes for that skill using the link embedded in the question. If the skill does not apply to you, select the second option, No. If you believe the skill is relevant to you, then select Yes. You'll then go through the relevant skill and skill level questions. The following controls are available when completing surveys. You can choose an alternative language from the language bar at the top, return to the list of surveys by clicking the Pause button, re-answer the previous question by clicking the Back button, skip all remaining questions in the survey using the Skip Now button, track your progress with the percentage indicator. And this is how you ensure your skill profile is authentic and tailored to you. Carefully read the description of what is expected of that skill at that level. Then make your selection based on the following criteria. Select competency, only if you perform the activities described frequently and with a good result. Selecting competency means you believe you have no need for further development. Selecting skill proficiency means you can and do perform most of the activities described, but consider more development would be useful to become fully competent. Selecting knowledge means you understand and can explain the content and usage, but you have no significant recent experience in applying that skill. This can often relate to skills you performed in the past. Otherwise, you would mark the skill as not a good match. Once all your surveys are completed, you'll be asked to submit a rating and feedback on the survey process, and we welcome all feedback. You'll then be invited to create your user account to access your skill profile. So look out for the password reset email. Step 4. Refine your skill profile. And this is where the magic happens. When you access your SkillsTX Planner account, you can review and refine the skill profile generated from the surveys. So go ahead and make changes to match all your current skill competencies. The more detailed you are, the better job matches you'll get. Step 5. Manage your ongoing career development. From the planner, you can update your skills, assign yourself to a current and future job, and maintain your career development plan. To get the most from Sophia and SkillsTX, ensure you keep your plan up to date and regularly review your skills. And thank you for choosing SkillsTX.